After nearly a century on the roads, any car will have plenty of stories to tell, and this 1928 Bentley 4.5 litre certainly has many of its own to share. But in order to understand just how important this car is, we need to go back to the beginning and find out how it came to be in the first place. Designed by company founder W.O Bentley, the 4.5 litre was introduced in 1927 to replace the outgoing 3 litre model. It was originally supplied as a rolling chassis, with various coach builders later fitting bodywork to suit each customer's needs. It also formed the basis for 1929's iconic blower Bentley. By the time production ended in 1931, around 720 examples had been made. 1928 is a particularly special year for the 4.5 litre Bentley, and especially from an Australian perspective. You see, at that year's 24 Hours of Le Mans, Bentley director and financier Wolf Barnato drove this car to victory alongside Aussie racing driver Bernard Rubin. This was the second of 4 consecutive victories for the brand, and the first of 3 in a row for Barnato as a driver. The story for this particular car, chassis NT3138, begins in the UK, where it was originally supplied new with Wayman's Saloon coachwork. It's then believed that it was used as an ambulance during the Second World War, before eventually ending up in South Africa. This car was later brought to Australia in 1989 by Australian motoring personality Clive Smith, who bought it as a project. It was subsequently restored by Australian Bentley expert Rod Warriner, who then rebodied it in this wonderful Vanden Pas-style coachwork which you see today, complete in a shade of British racing green. Now, these Bentleys were superbly engineered vehicles, with W.O Bentley pioneering the use of aluminium pistons, among other innovations. Its torquey 4-cylinder engine, which despite the name is actually a 4.4 litre, features overhead cams, 4 valves per cylinder, and is really advanced for the time. Of course, it's backed by a 4-speed manual gearbox with no synchros in it, and the shift lever is down here and to your right, while this chassis rides on semi-elliptical leaf springs front and rear. Despite its near centurion age, the seller reports that this car still performs incredibly strongly, and we've been driving it around today and it has held up just fine despite all those years. Without question, the Bentley 4.5 litre is a certified legend. With Le Mans-bred pedigree and advanced engineering for its day, it's perhaps no surprise that this car is still going so strong almost 1 century later. And this particular 1928 example is up for sale through RR Auctions in our April 2026 sale. Head to rrauctions.com.au to find out more and to place your bids.